Morning, everybody. So it's a nice rainy day here in Jersey.
Good morning.
Good morning, good morning.
And we're on a new farm permission today. This is just one of many fields that we've had the luxury of hitting them up. We've got about a week before this one gets reseeded. I guess they're doing maybe some winter wheat or whatnot, but I got something in the hole here. I'm gonna give it over to Wayne. Let's see what we get.
Let's go.
Coming up as a nickel tone. Right here in the hole. Ooh. What is that? It's a button.
It is.
It is a button. Does it have a shank? Oh, no.
Is that a shotgun shell?
That's a shotgun
Oh
shell.
my goodness.
Dude, I totally swear I thought that was a button.
It happens.
Damn.
It happens.
It does happen. It does happen. Man. Threw me off as it doesn't have the pin in the middle.
Is it a 30-06?
Could be an old one.
That's probably pretty old.
Oh man.
It's one of those
dude.
the paper shell shotgun shells.
Right,
Back
yeah.
in the day. Man,
It's all right, man.
On to the next, right?
Yeah, absolutely. All right, guys. See you on the next one.
Peace.
All right, guys. New location. The last one was really muddy.
Oh yeah.
we had,
Oh my god.
We had some
It's like
lead
walking around
boots.
with concrete
I almost
shoes.
sank. I was like, oh.
Jerry was in quicksand. So first hole here at this new location, and it wasn't too deep. It was about 3 inches, and I flicked out my plug, and it went all the way over here. And here it is. It looks like it's a Silver Rosie,
Nice.
1958.
Nice.
So
Good job,
I think this spot's gonna be good for us.
Yeah. Good job, bud. Woo!
All right, so
Let's kick some grass.
hopefully the rain cuts down a little bit, and this guy's nuts. When it gets rain, he gets crazy.
I think he's got metal in his head. Yeah, he does. Yeah, he does.
All right, on to the next. On another one here. There's my first hole over there between the two trees, and I got another one here. Take a look.
What you got, buddy? Ooh. Oh yeah.
I think it's a ring.
Dude, look how.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it is a ring.
It's a ring.
Oh, dude, that is so cool.
Dude, that is so small. I've never seen one this small.
Look at that. I just seen the brim of it. I'm like, yeah, that's a corner part of a coin there. Very nice, man. How deep was that? That
It
wasn't.
wasn't that deep at all.
No, I can see that. That's cool.
Yeah, let's see.
Good find, my dude.
Yeah, let's see.
925 maybe? A little stampage.
It's got 925.
Yeah.
Yep.
Nice.
Sweet.
Very
Dude,
good,
this'll
buddy.
fit my little girl. Look at how small this thing is.
perfect.
Dude, that thing is small.
Nice, man.
Second silver for the day.
What did it come up on your machine?
Came up as a 1346.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's 1141.
There you go. Nice.
Yeah, 1346.
Very good, bro.
Yeah, boy. 2 silvers.
How far away was that from the other hole you said?
Probably like 15, 20 feet.
Oh, okay. Not bad.
Yeah.
This is a nice little,
Little honey hole over here.
yeah, absolutely. Very good, man.
Come on, boys. I need you guys to get on the board here.
I know. Don't worry about it. I'll get on there. Actually, my shovel is all the way. Let me see. See where the end of the fence is? See that orange thing? I got the same signal. I have an 84 also. But Eric called me over to, you know, just check his hole with my machine, and it came up as an 84 on the AT Pro, so I'm going back there. And hopefully I got the same thing. I'll get back to you in a minute.
You got, buddy?
80. It's like a 7880. I just took a quick peek at it. That's why I called you over. Look at this.
Ah. Look at that. Ooh, it's a locket.
Oh, it is. Oh, look, there's a lady's face on it.
Yeah, let me get my spray.
Oh, it is, dude. Look at there's a clasp on the back. Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
Is that right? Oh, yeah, look at that.
Here's some brush.
Yeah. Is that a face? Or...
Yeah, it's definitely a face. It's definitely a locket. It's old, man.
Wow.
Oh, you know what it is? Turn it. I bet you it's a busted ring. It is a ring. It's squished.
No.
No?
It looks like an ear clip. Or
Yes, it is an earring.
is it an earring?
Yeah, bro.
Look at that. Oh my goodness. I gotta take my gloves off. Hold on a second.
There's a puddle over here. Go hit it up in the puddle.
Oh God.
I'm gonna get in the bottle.
Look at that, dude. Wow. That's a first.
Yeah, it's got the spring action on the back side of it. Here, let's see.
Look at it.
Silver on the
This is
board.
upside
today.
down. Yeah, look at. There she is.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Nice.
That's a first.
Yeah, man.
Nice, dude. Wonder if it'll fit in my ear. Nice. Cool.
All right, man. And Jerry's way out there playing around. I don't know what he's got going on. He didn't want to stick with us today, but that's
He's
fine,
a
bud.
wanderer. He's a wanderer. You are a geek, geek, geek. All right.
All right, on to the next.
Check this out, man. Here, look, it's right on the plug. I thought it was just like a, it came up like a 51, 55, and look it.
Oh, that's a buff.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah,
I thought it was just like a standard nickel.
I think you're gonna get a date on this one.
Yeah, it's got some nice, it's not that worn out, you know what I'm saying?
You do have a date.
Ooh,
36.
nice. It's got the Indian head on the other side too, right?
1936. Got the Indian with the buff.
Very good.
All right, buddy.
Nice, nice, brother. Thank you.
We're killing it out here today.
Gotta love this hobby, man. If I'm not out there doing my motocross thing, and that comes with a lot of band-aids. This job, or this hobby, I'm sorry, comes with no band-aids. Just a lot of good finds. All right, boys, we'll catch you on the next hunt. All right, guys. Well, I'm out here by myself. Just minding my own business. Tickling the ground here. Actually, Eric had to bring Jerry home, so we're just going to hunt together for another hour or so, but I got something in the hole. Check it out. So I was digging around. Say it's a good couple inches. Look what I just came across. Ooh, I got some silver. Nice mark time. Ooh, very nice. More silver. There's a lot of silver out here. So, yep. Like I said before, gotta love this hobby. Let's keep going. All right.